Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. So today's video is going to be a makeup declutter video. I've got a whole lot of things that need clearing out, and I've got some new makeup that I need to find space for, so I thought it would be nice to do this on camera and also make some space for some new makeup that I got in PR. I like to keep my collection small so I can give everything a chance. So that's what we're going to do today. I have already done like a quick 10-minute segment for IGTV, so I will insert that part of the video somewhat in so you can see what I've done. It was just basically the skincare and this side of the drawer. I'm going to start off with from this section here, and we're just going to work our way through it, and I'll show you some other items that I've already gotten rid of. And yeah, so let's get straight into this video. Okay, so first off I need to remove all of this, so all the brushes. Alright, all of this needs to go to the side because they need cleaning. So I have two sunscreens. So I have the Body Shop Skin Defense one, and then I've got my Glossier one. This one leaves me oily, so I tend not to use this one, but I'm almost out, so this stays. And then I've got all my ordinary serums here. So I've got niacinamide, the hyaluronic acid, and I've got alpha arbutin. So, okay, so let's go to the top part of this Muji 5-tier. 5-tier. So this is what I usually keep all my mascaras and all my anything to do with eye. I think this, yeah, it's dry, it can go. Take everything out, give it a wipe. And I've got my primers, and then keep that there. Eyeshadow primer. I love collecting these miniature mascaras. Like, they're just great for traveling, so I collect these. And then this is like my favorite concealer, the Benefit Bare Pro. I got the Glossier Boy Brow Eyebrow Gel. It's pretty much everything here for the top drawer. Moving down, this side is where I keep all my, so anything to do with the cheeks, so highlighters, blushes, all that kind of stuff. So here I've got this is what the H&M one can go in there. I love this. This was like I've had this for a while actually. I don't know if it's still good. Maybe it's time to let it go. Okay. Fenty, obviously that stays, and of course my Glossier Cloud Paints. Moving down to the middle section here. Oh, there you go. That needs to go up here. That's my MAC blusher, and these concealers, I've had these for years and years, so I'm not even going to contemplate whether I'm keeping them or not. And I think one of these is too light for me. These are the NYX HD Studio Concealer. I love these as well. I think I'm number 8. Yeah, so I'll keep number 8. Number 7 was too light for me, so it's time to get rid of it. Of course, my Fenty matchsticks, they all get to stay. So they all get to stay. And what's that? Oh, that's my Sleek Contour Kit. So again, that's cheek. That can go in here. I think this probably go up here because that's concealer. What next? So eyeshadows. What's that? That's a blush that needs to, yeah, that's a blush that goes up here. So this part here is for eyeshadows. So this one I don't use, so this can go straight up in the bin. Okay, so my favorite one is the Urban Decay Heat Palette. So I think I use this like every day, so this is a must. And I recently got the Heat Petite as well, so that can go here. This is the Clarins one. So this is I usually take this with me when I'm traveling. Okay, so that can go in there. And then I've got another Clarins one that I picked up from duty free, so I think this is like a limited edition one, Traveller. That's that there. And then of course my MAC single ones. I love these. So that's it for eyeshadows at the moment. No, the latest one I have is the MAC 9 eyeshadows, so that one I need to try that with it fit. No, I need a lot of space, so I'll put it here for now. Don't have space. What else? Lipsticks. Okay, these are my high-end lipsticks at the moment. This is where I keep every single one of them. I'm sure I have more lipsticks probably all over the place, but this is what I currently have and use on a regular basis. And also I've got this one from Winkylax, which is a you get 5 miniature lipsticks to try, and if you like them then you can buy the full size collection. Mascara, it goes on the top here. There we go. Right, so I'm actually impressed with how much space, of how much room I have created so far. So we're moving on to the next top shelf, which is this one here. So here is where I keep all my MAC lipsticks. My favorite is Ruby Woo. I think this is my second one. If you know, you know. And yeah, so every single one of them I wear. And on this back row is where I keep my foundations, and on this side as well. So of course my Fenty Holy Grail and my Fenty primer as well. And here I've got the Ordinary. I think I use every single one of them except for the L'Oreal. I haven't worn this in a while. This can go in the bin. One of those lip oil things. I tried it, didn't like it, never used it. Right, okay, so what do we have here? So moving down, so this drawer here is where all my other lip products go. So I've got like I think these can go in the bin now. I don't. So these Clinique Chubby Sticks can go in the bin. This is a brand new one that I've never used. I've got the Glossier one, the Fenty, which I wear pretty much. These two are the Bourjois Aqua Lip Lacquers. I don't think I've used this in a long time. Yeah, they can go in the bin. And these lip balms, I don't know. I think I will keep this one, the cherry one. I like the cherry one. I'll leave these in here for now. Okie dokie. Moving on, I think there's more lip products in here, yes. I have the Maybelline, I think this is Sensational. I've had this for years. But yeah, I've had this for too long, so gotta go. So this used to be my favourite lipstick, my go-to lipstick actually. And it's from Topshop. And the colour was just beautiful, but I can't find anything like it, so I'm still hanging on to this for colour reference. So that's that one there. And then I have the Glossier. I don't wear this, but I'm not ready to let it go yet. And then I've got a few. I think it's time to let these lipsticks go. I just love them for the packaging. So they got this paper packaging, so it looks like this. But I keep them just for the packaging. It's just so pretty. Yeah. I'm going to keep them here actually. And then what's that? I think that's a lip primer from H&M as well. Yep, so that can stay. And then I've got my Fenty lip gloss. So that can go sideways. And I think this is the Benefit tint. I don't use this. I don't remember the last time I used this, so this can go as well. So looking into this dresser, I can tell what can go in the bin. That's empty. I don't wear this. So this is the Glossier tint. I didn't like this. I think that can go as well. So I got this powder. I think it's my Ray recommended it. I think she did a review on it that it was good for oily skin. And I hopped over on Amazon. I bought it. It didn't work for me. I still got oily. And this, I like this Bare Minerals Pro powder. It's like a compact powder. It looks yellow, but it's very translucent, so it shows up like next to nothing on your skin. I like to use this one for evenings when I have, or whenever I'm carrying a smaller handbag. And these are all my Ordinary skin foundation, so I kind of mix them together, and yeah, I don't mind that. And I think this is an empty lipstick that is going back to MAC, so yeah. And these, I think everything in here just needs to go in the bin, except the sharpener of course, but I don't think I use any of these things anymore. Okay, so I now have a whole drawer that is empty, which I am happy happy about. And just moving on to the last drawer here. I tried this natural bronzer thing from Rimmel. I didn't like it, made me oily, and I think this is going back to MAC as well. And just some powder. So, yeah, that can go in the bin. Highlighter, so that can go up here. Okay, and then that is just empty. Oh, and this is an empty MAC bottle, so again this is going back to MAC as well. I'm not ready to get rid of this one just yet, so I just put it back here and then put all my powders, Glossier powder, and then I think I'll keep these here at the back because I like them, and I do mix match them every now and then, so I do wear them every now and then. So I'm going to keep all the back to MAC products here so I know they are all in one space. So the only thing left to do is my nail polish collection, so I'm going to go through that because this will take me a while. So I'm going to wrap this up because again I don't have much left on the card and my battery is flashing. So I'm going to quickly run through the rest of it and make some space on the bottom of the drawer, and also I'll show you all the other items that I got rid of. I will insert like the finished product or the finished section. So I'll insert some pictures, but I think I'll give the battery a charge. So I'm gonna sign off here, but yes, I will insert the rest of the clips once I get to this. I'm just gonna carry on. Yes, thank you guys so much for watching and decluttering my makeup collection with me. I hope you liked this video, and I will see you in the next video. Happy weekend. Bye.